And 3, 2, 1, action.
Jamsey.
Cause if they don't dance, then they no. Buddies. Twerk buddies. I don't know how to twerk. We don't know how to twerk. Do you know how to twerk? That's a do not twerk. Leave it in the comment section below. Send us a link of how to twerk in the comment section below.
Or because video response.
I would love to see how to twerk.
Would you like to see what we did for you guys?
Ooh, I look ugly. Look at what we did for you. This is what we do for you. This is what we do.
Ow! Just on my toe.
We do this. We do everything. We do this. We do my face. Holy guacamole. We're not looking at my eyes anymore.
It's like, I don't want to, I'm afraid to open this because like I slammed it and like I want to drink it.
Slammed the fake.
I was just like, yeah, I'm going to kill you now. Your savior.
Rose has been drinking. Better put this back in the fridge.
Oh, she deserved it. She deserved it, girl. She deserved what she did, what she has done today.
Holy.
That's not me. I didn't do that.
She's been drinking a lot.
Hey, let's see how Terezi's doing. Oh, where'd she go?
Right on my neck.
Terezi? Where'd Terezi go?
Over my neck.
Oh, hi, Terezi.
My neck has been slashed multiple times today.
I've only been one roll. Dinner roll. Yum, yum, yum. You know, is this still recall? No. Look at me, ain't I one attractive?
Make a derpy face.
No, you gotta see my eyes. You've been missing out on our cutscenes of us buddies.
Oh shit.
You
wanna make a derpy face?
What?
Make a derpy face.
What is
Say a derpy face.
I don't have a derpy
It's
face,
a eraser, no.
so I'm just gonna do that, okay?
Miller's on top of cheese. Guys, I'm gonna make a story. So like, there was a pig jumping from stuff.
How about no?
What? Oh, this baby has to have a nose. No!
Okay.
Come on, every pony, smile, smile, smile. Fill my heart up with sunshine, sunshine. All I really need is a smile, smile, smile from these happy friends of mine. Come on, every pony, smile, smile, smile. Fill my heart up with sunshine, sunshine.
From up here.
Jane, what are you doing?
Was it being a gamer?
Okay, yeah.
Go.
You see? Ruined the whole plan. We can rub the music.
Oh, hey, Cams. What's up?
And then
Okay. Good, like, that one's up.
I love doing that.
I think I was just twerking.
Like, how do you even twerk?
I don't know.
Dude, like, move over. I need to twerk. Let me show my new fancy twerking skills. Like, booty, booty, booty. Booty, 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 booty. Okay, this is how I twerk. You want to see how I twerk? Yeah. Like, I just kind of vibrate my butt.
Twerk right into me.
Like, vibrate. Twerking right on her. But I do it like this, like. Vibrate. Oh, at least you do. You bastard!
At least you do. You bastard!